Namaste, dear all students. Now, welcome back in lecture number 2 of Information Technology, subject code 402. Now, here in unit number 4, now in lecture number 1, we learn how to start the Word, how to copy the data, how to open the documents. Now, today our topic was discussion is our topic is discussion in a different options available in a home tab. Now see student, at the top or at the ribbon there are a different types of tabs are there. Now see, this is home tab, this is insert tab, design tab, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view. Now one by one we have to learn each and every tab, but in today's lecture we are going to cover the home tab of the Word 2013. Now see here in the first tab, here is, now see the clipboard group is there. In that clipboard group there are more options, means paste, copy, after that cut. Now see the basic operation we have to learn. I write here one sentence, listening is an art. Now if you want to copy that listening, now while copying the data, now first of all we have to select the data. Now let us see, I am selecting here that first sentence, listening is an art. Now while selecting this under the home tab in a clipboard group, now let us see, this is a clipboard group. Now click on copy option. Now after that again press or place the mouse cursor where you want the copy the data. Now while pressing, now click on that paste option. See, now this is the listening is an art, we copied that text from here. Now after that here if you want to cut this text, now again click here, select that text. Now while selecting, click on cut option. Now while clicking on cut option, now let us see here, I am writing here that's, and then click on paste option. Now see here that listening is an art, right? Now in that way there is a copy and paste option, copy paste cut option. Now next is there home tab. Under the home tab there is a font group. Now in font group here we have to learn different types of font families. Now see, this is the different types of font families available in Word. Now this option is off to increase the size of a font. Now see student, here I am going to select again listening is an art. Now while selecting that sentence, now let us see, I want to change the font of the selected text. Now see, after that let me click here. Now see, listening is an art. Now this is, we change the font. Now after that by the side here is another the size option. Now see here 48 is given. By using keyboard you can write down, for example I write here 50, right? The text will get increased, right? I want to write down here suppose 20, right? The size of that text will get changed. Now this is the changing the font of a text and changing the size of a text. Now see student, again here two options are available. Now this is increase in size. Now see, while selecting listening is an art, now after that click on that option. Now see the text will get increased, and that A drop down arrow at the top of that A, it is increase, it shows that means to decrease the font size. Now after that see, to make a text bold, italic, underline. Now in that sentence only by the listening I want to select only that much 3 word. Now while selecting, select the text. After that click on B option. See, you observe your text will get bold. Now once your text will get bold, now it means that your whatever the option you perform, means bold option you perform, that will apply. Now again if you want to select that carefully word, while selecting carefully word, if suppose if you click here on that I option, the text will get italic. It means that let us observe that text is little bit slanted, right? Now the next is here, let me select first here the understand. Now while selecting understand, click on that U option, means there is an underline. Now see student, there are, while clicking, see that arrow is called as drop down. Now while clicking on that drop down there are different types of lines or underlines are available. Now select whichever underline you want for the selected text. Now see, after that the next we have to learn here a different types of, means three important types, that is one is strike through, second one is subscript, and last one is their superscript. Now see, if let us consider here, if I want to type here, let me decrease the size. If I want to type here H2O, now see, while typing that H2O, but this 2 is little bit below the actual line. Now to take that 2 below the actual line, now let us see, click on here that subscript option. Now here see H2O is come, right student? I want to give again one example. Now see CaCl, if suppose if you want to write down here 3, but that 3 is also little bit below the actual line. Now select that 3. Now while selecting that 3, now click on subscript option. Now student, in next, if you want to apply, it means right like that, in a bracket a plus b whole bracket square is equal to such a types of formula. But see, these two in that formula is above the actual line. Now while writing that 2 above the actual line, it means that we have to perform the operation. See here, name of that operation is subscript. Now select that 2. Now while selecting 2, click on here, that option is there x square, right? Sorry, that text is remain to select. First of all select these 2, after that click on that x square. Right, now after that, if you want to write down that whole formula is equal to, you can write down a square plus here twice ab here again plus b square. But now see, it is looking very odd. Now that 2 should be at the exponent at the power. Now write down here like that. Okay, again select that 2. Now click at the top, it means that here the operation which you are performing, that is means this is the proper way. Now here many more time, see here is one more option. If suppose I am going to write it down sanskar. Now while typing this text, if I want to perform here the means strike through operation. Now see here that ABC after that line is there, such a types of word. Now many of the time, see whenever you are going to search the data on internet, now the whatever the text you entered into the search engine, if you are not getting or if you are not finding, means there should be such a types of line, whatever the text you are selected, and on that whatever the text you are written, and on that text there is a such a line, it means that the text is cut. It means that the data is not available on the internet. Now see here, we learned that much operation. Now after that, let us see here again, we are how to study a different. Now see here, one is there text effect. Now see the text effect is also we can apply to our text to make our text up effective or attractive. Right, now select the text again. I select here one word ears, right? While selecting that ear word, now see which types of suppose if you want to give the shadow to the type text, now in such a way you can give here the text effect. Right, now see student, there are many more paragraphs. At the time of paragraphs, if you want to highlight some text important, for example here other person, I selected that other person text. Now while selecting that other person text, now I can make also here the highlight that text. Right, now after that let me remove first it again. Again want to discuss with you. Now again I select let me select that other person text. Now once I select that other person text, now let me highlight the text, no color. Right, if suppose if you want to give an other color, black cannot be possible because the text color is also black. Now this one you can apply, right? Red you can apply, these types of color you can apply to the text. Now after that, see the next. Now see there are two types of color, the color which we can apply to the text and the color which we can apply at the background of the text. Now the color which we can apply at the background of a text is called as color highlighter, and the next color which we can apply to our text, that such a color are called as text color. Now while giving if suppose if you want to do the text color, now again you select I select here the and the meaning behind the word being spoken. Now see here let me select that A. Okay, that A here, see font color, right? While clicking on that drop down, different types of color will appear here. In such a way you can change the text color. Now once you change, if you again want to change the color, again select the same text, again go in more color. Now here many more colors are there. From that you can also make your own color, right? And while making your own color you can apply. Now let us see, again there are different types of gradients, right? In such a way, if you want to apply the gradient to the given text, now you can also apply the such a gradient, right? Now next 2-3 topics are remain here. This is last topic, clear all formatting, right? Once you click on clear all formatting, now let us select the text. While selecting clear all formatting, the format of the text will get change like that, right? Means this is the actual text, but let me see why that color is not here. Now here click on no color, right? Now this is the font, this is a font group of the home tab. Now see student, after that there is a next is there. Now see here the next tab is here, insert tab. Now sorry, the next group is here. We have to learn here the paragraph group. Now see at the top, in a paragraph group there are one number, that number is bullet library. Now see student, if you want to type some text by the point wise, suppose while clicking, see in a home tab under the paragraph group, once I click on that drop down, there are different types of bullets are appear. Now while appearing such a bullets, now let us I want to select such this bullet. Now while inserting this bullet, now you can make the point such as like as I am a boy, right? I like to play, I like to play cricket. Now such a types of sentence you can make by using this bullet. Now again see, to insert the next bullet, press the enter key. The sometimes that enter key is also called as new line key, right? Means such a types of you can enter the different types of bullet. But see student, if you want to make some point, now let us see here the second is given. For example, like as here is an also number system, means number you can also again you can write it down, I am a boy, right? Full stop. Okay. For example, after that you can also write down, I like to play cricket, right? Now this is second sentence. But see, if suppose there are many more, means sometimes such a question is there, means what types of bullets you can enter into the bullet list. Now you can say that no bullet, means that bullet will get erased. Now while selecting this bullet, now again see here, you click here and after that here write it down, no bullet. Okay, means that bullet will get removed. Now see, after that if you want such question is may ask in exam, means how many what types of bullets are there. Means in bullet there are number system, there are capital alphabet, small alphabet, after that Roman number. Okay, means these 3 or 4 types of bullets we can enter. If suppose if you want to make a topic in a subtopic, if suppose the first heading is there A, right? In A, after that there is a small a, Roman number A, means because that hierarchy we have to follow. Now while entering the different types of number in a documents or in a Word file. Now again see here example is given like as article 1, heading 1. Okay, means these different types of different bullets are there. Then it is clicked by mistakenly. Okay, Now see, after that the next most important topic is their paragraph alignment. See student, once you go through this, now how many types of paragraph alignment in a word file. Now there are 4 types of paragraph alignment. Now let us see, let me type here one text. If suppose I type here Sanskar Nanpit comma space Khamgaon, right? Now while typing that Sanskar Nanpit, now I want to take that text on a different 3 line. To take that text on a new line or a different 3 lines, I have to press the enter key, okay, at the end of a line. Now end of a line, or you can also say that from where I want to cut that text, or I want to copy that text on the next line. Now see here, Sanskar Nanpit Khamgaon, I type here 3 different letter on a 3 different line, right? Now let us see. But see student, that Sanskar is on middle, Nanpit is in also middle, and that Khamgaon word, this is also at the middle. Now once you select that Sanskar word, now let us see student, here out of that 4 options, see, that is called as left alignment, this is called as center alignment, that alignment is called as right alignment, and this is called as justify, right? One by one we have to learn 3 types of alignment, because in 10th standard also there is a most important question: how many types of alignments are there? Explain with the example, right student? You also have to draw this text on a page, right? Or you have to diagrammatically, you have to write it down the answer of this question. Once you study that question in 9th standard, there is no need to learn that question again in a 10th standard, right? Now see, I select that text Sanskar, right? Once I select the text Sanskar, while selecting that text Sanskar, out of that 4 options, only one option is here highlighted. The name of that option is center alignment, because the Sanskar word is lies in a center of a document, but top center of the document. Now let us see, while clicking on the left alignment, now that Sanskar only one word is moved to the right margin of a page. Now why that Nanpit and Khamgaon is not moved? Because here in a word, keep in mind, the text which we can select, only on the selected text we can perform the operation. While performing the operation, first of all select the text, after that perform or click on the option whichever you want to perform. Now see, again I want to select that Nanpit, and I want to take that Nanpit to the right side of a page. Now while keeping that selecting that text, now here click on the right side of a text, see that Nanpit word will get at the right. Now again I want to move that Khamgaon letter to the left of the text. Now see here that Khamgaon will get left of the center. Now student, see, this is the basic operation. If you want, if such a question will come in examination, the answer you can write it down in such a way that there are 4 types of alignment, right? First one is left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and justify. Now the meaning of justify is here. Now see, means we have to write down answer in such a way that the left alignment take the text to the left margin of a page, right alignment move the text to the right side of a page, okay. Now after that the center alignment keep text at the center of the text. But one more is there, many more students got confused, sir, there is a left is there, right is there, center is there. Now what is the meaning of justify? To understand the meaning of justify, now let us see this one paragraph I type here. Now listening is an art, okay, this is one paragraph. Again see, here is another paragraph, and let me make one more paragraph. Now this is, there are 3 paragraphs. Now student, you observe here that text, this is that is called as the indent, right? This is called as the indent or left indent, and that in this is called as the right indent. Now if you observe, now while typing the text, after the paragraph, that we and behind, these 3 words are in a single line. But you observe here that so can meaning, so can meaning, and so can meaning, that means none of the word can follow a straight line. Now see, if you want to make that text to fit both the margin. See student, I am talking about here the both the margin. See, this is the left margin and this margin is called as the right margin. And while selecting the text, once you click on here the justify option, your text is fitted both the line. Now see here we understand behind these three word already fit to the left margin, and here that we and meaning, this is also fit to the right margin. Now this is the definition. I want to share with you that the definition of the justify means, see, the text which can be the text in a paragraph which can be fit both the margin of a page. Okay, both the margin of a page is called as justification of justify, right? Now next, see here, after that the last option today we are going to learn here, that is line and paragraph spacing. Now once I select the paragraph, right, now click here, that option is called as line and paragraph spacing. Click on here line option, right? If you want to increase, now see here I click on 2.5 inches, right? Here the distance in between two lines. Now see, practical, if you understand, line spacing means giving the space in between two lines, right? But there are also theoretical question. Now theoretical question is such as, it means the space in between two lines is called as line spacing, right? Now after that, see here, listening is an art and listening is an art. I select here these two paragraphs. Now while clicking on the drop down menu, now see here see the space is generated in between two paragraph, right? This is called as this is actually the line spacing. Now after that, see here indent and line, these options are again there, right? Now this is totally here 2-3 options are remain, that is decrease indent, increase indent. Now let us see, once you click on that in front of the V, and while clicking on the in front of the V, now if you want to change, the only one paragraph indent will change. Now remaining paragraph is fit to the left margin. Now if you want to take that paragraph to the left side, now again click here, see decrease indent and increase indent. Now after that, in tomorrow's lecture or in next lecture, we can see the different remaining part of the home tab. Thank you.